The primary role of the queen bee in the hive is reproduction. She is the sole fertile female in the colony and is responsible for laying eggs, which give rise to the next generation of worker bees and, on occasion, drone bees. The queen bee is pivotal to the hive's overall health and productivity. During her lifetime, which can span several years, she may lay hundreds or even thousands of eggs daily, ensuring the constant renewal of the worker bee population. In addition to her reproductive duties, the queen also emits pheromones that help maintain colony cohesion and order. Thanks for watching this video.